Hello, teacher.
Hello. Hello, Bao. Good evening, Bao.
Good evening, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fun.
You're fine. Honey, this coming December 31, we will at January 1, January 1, honey, we will be celebrating New Year, yeah, the New Year. How about there in Vietnam? Are you also going to celebrate New Year this coming
Yes,
January 1?
I visit. I visit my grandpa and my grandma.
Ah, I see, honey. But we are going to wait for the new year this coming December 31. Yeah. So we are going to have the New Year's Eve on December
Yes,
31. How about you? You too?
yes,
Yeah, you're also going to celebrate this coming December 31? Yeah?
yes.
We're the same. Okay. Me, honey, I am going to celebrate with my family too, but I will still have classes with my student. Yeah.
Mm,
I
mm.
am going to prepare a lot of food too because New Year is very important here. How about there, honey? Is it important to you there?
Important too.
Oh, it is also important to you there. I see.
It's quan trọng.
What?
It's quan trọng.
Ah, yeah. Also, you have Tet, right? You have Lunar New Year, which is the Tet.
Do
Yeah.
you have lucky monies?
Lucky money? No.
I have. I have three
Ah,
hundred.
I hope, honey. I really hope. I am actually looking for a lucky money, but it's so hard to find one here. Maybe the chocolate gold money. Maybe the chocolate gold money, honey. I really wish to have, what do you call this? Lucky money, honey. Who gave that one to you, Bao?
Yes,
Who gave that to you?
yes.
Oh, wait, did I share the whiteboard or you shared it? I was like, didn't. I didn't prepare the whiteboard. Okay, honey, who gave you the lucky money? Where did you get it? Bao.
Get.
Where did you get
I,
it?
I
Your
get
lucky
it
from
in Ren is teacher.
ah from your teacher. Oh, I see, honey. Is
Teacher,
it important?
yes,
Why? Why is it important to have a lucky money?
because uh, I
You
he'll
will have a
say
you will have a lot of money if you have a lucky money this coming new year. Yeah.
yes.
Ah.
I buy and my bánh chưng cake
Oh. So you can
and
use
make
the
a
lucky money?
bánh chưng cake with
Really?
family.
Banchung cake? Ban
Yes,
Banchung cake, Vietnam. Ah, this is the Banchong cake. Oh, it looks very yummy. Look. Is this, honey, I'm going to share my screen, okay? Hold
yes.
on. This one? This? Oh, hold on. Can you see it now?
No, yes.
This
It's
one?
very yummy. It's
Why is
here.
it? Is it made of rice, honey? Is it like a rice cake?
Yes,
Oh, I'm craving, honey. It looks very delicious. Oh. And you are going to make it with your mom.
yeah.
Oh, and your grandma too. Okay. Anyway, honey, teacher is now going to share the screen since we're going to have our new lesson now. You ready?
Yes.
Yes, I What's this? Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Let's have a review. What were the words that you have learned last time? If you still remember, honey. Oh, what were the words that you had last time? If you still remember, what were the words? Do you still remember the words you've learned last time?
Yes.
What's the first one? What's the first one? The first one is
Uh,
anyway, we're going to have a review here. Teacher's going to share the screen now, okay? Let's have a
yes.
review. But before that, I'm going to introduce to you now, honey, the unit number 4, hobbies and dreams. And we're now going to have the lesson 1.2 in page 49. Okay, so we have here, honey. Okay, by the end of this lesson, my dear, you will be able to present free time activities, ask and answer about what someone does in his or her free time. So we have here the vocabulary. We have the words. We're going to have that one later. Let's have the review first. You're going to listen and then choose, honey, okay? Listen and
Yes.
choose.
Hang out with friends.
Hang out with friends. Where is hang out with
With
friends?
friends. B.
Okay. All right. Next.
Go for a walk.
Go for a walk. A.
Great.
Collect stickers.
Collect sticker. A.
Take a nap.
Take a nap. B.
Very good.
Do a puzzle.
Do a puzzle. C.
Yeah. Now, what do you do in your free time? You have to write the right word here. What do you do in your free time? I blank.
Or I collect stickers.
Yeah, very good. Next, what do you do in your free time?
Puzzle.
I do Huh? It's a big. Okay, I do a puzzle. Great. Next, what do you do in your free time? I blank with friends. What is that? Honey, do you also hang out with your friends, Bao?
Yes.
Yeah, really. When do you usually hang out with your friends? When do you usually hang out with your friends?
Hang out with friends when I when it's my birthday.
When it's your birthday. But what? Just your birthday, honey? How about on weekends?
Yes.
Really? You only hang out with your friends on your birthday or your friend's birthday? Yeah. How do you feel?
Yes.
How do you feel when you hang out with your friends? How do you feel when you hang out with your friends, Belle?
I'm happy. I feel happy.
Very good. What do you do when you hang out?
I take a photo.
Really? Using your phone? You have a camera?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, yes, your answer is correct. Next, What do you do in your free time? Very good. Honey, where do you like to take a walk? Where
I
do you
go for a walk
Where?
in the park.
What do you see when you take a walk or when you go for a walk? What do you see? Me, I see a lot of dogs. when I go.
I see a lot of trees.
Oh, really? Here, Ani, I see a lot of dogs. There are a lot of dogs in the streets in my place, honey. A lot and a lot of dogs. How about there, honey? Can you see a lot of stray dogs or like street dogs?
Yes, too.
Oh.
I see a lot of trees too.
Oh, I see, honey. Same with the Philippines. Next, what do you do in your free time? I'm blank a nap. Very
I
good.
take a nap.
Yes. Now it's time for you to learn new words, honey. Okay, so let's have the new words now. Let's start with the very first one. Let's listen. Yes. See?
Speech focus. Exercise 6, page
Collect.
49.
Okay.
Collect.
Collect.
Collects.
Yeah.
Collect.
Okay, next one.
Collects.
Let's have this.
Enough.
July.
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 Hotel.
Hotel. Hotel.
Okay, how about this?
I was at a hotel last
hotel
July.
Last July.
Again?
I was at a hotel last July.
Very good. Okay, now let's have this one, honey. We are now going to have the speech focus. Let's look, read, complete, color, and say, I was at a blank last July. What's this? Okay, can you read it?
I go at a hotel last July.
I was at a hotel last July. Okay, honey, when was the last time that you went to when was the last time that you were in a hotel, honey? For me, the last time that I was in a hotel was last year. How about you, honey? When was the last time that you went to a hotel?
I go hotel last 1,000,000 years.
Last 1,000,000. Okay, let's have the next one, honey. Okay, you have to listen, okay? Listen, and then match and answer. Let's go. We have here, what do you do in your free time? We have here Sophie, Mike, Mai, Tom, and Anne. Let's go.
Exercise 4, page 49. Listen, match, ask and answer. 1.
Sophie, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I hang out with friends.
That's nice.
What does Sophie do, honey, when it's her free time? Sophie hangs
out with friends.
Very good.
Two.
Mike, what do you do in your free time?
I love football, miss. In my free time, I collect stickers of football players.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Okay, what does Mike do in his free time?
I collect stickers.
Very good. Mike collects stickers in his free time.
My collect sticker in free time.
In his
In
free
his
time.
free time.
Very good. Let's have number 3.
3. My, what do you do in your free time? Do you go for a walk?
No, miss. I take a nap in my free time.
That's nice.
Let's have Mai. What does Mai do in her
I
free
take a
time?
nap in free
Mai?
time.
Mai takes a nap in her free time.
My take a nap in her free time.
Very good. Okay, let's have number 4.
4.
And Tom, what do you do
Go
in your
for a
free
walk.
time?
Well, there is a beautiful park near my house. In my free time, I go for a walk with my friends there.
That's nice.
Okay, what does Tom do in his free time?
Go for a walk. Time go for a walk.
Tom goes for a
Go
walk
for a walk.
when it's
In
his free
Free
time.
time.
Very good. Okay, lastly,
5.
And you, Anne, what do you do in your free time? Do you go for a walk too?
No, I don't. I do a puzzle in my free time.
A
Okay.
puzzle?
Yes, I do a puzzle.
okay, what does Anne do in her free time?
Anne
Anne,
Do a puzzle in his and her free time.
very good. All correct answers, honey. Very good, smart guy. Now let's have this one. Okay, what do you do in your free time?
I hang out with my friends.
Very good. What's the question here, honey? What's the question? What do you?
What do you do in your free time?
Very
I
good.
collect stickers.
Very good. Great. I collect stickers. Next. Here.
What do you do in your free time? I take a nap.
Very good. I take a nap. Great job. Next one. What do
What
you
do
do?
What do you do in your free time? I go for a walk.
Very good. I go for a walk. What do you do in your free time?
I do a puzzle.
Okay, now you have to look and write, honey. For example, number 1, what do you do in your free time? It is I collect stickers. You write your answer, honey. Okay, let's have number 2. You have to complete the question first, honey. Please complete the question.
What do you do in your free time? I take a nap.
Okay. How do you spell take a nap here? Very good. What's this? Okay, next. What do you do in your free time? Very good. That's great. Okay, next. What do you do in your free time? Is that how you spell walk? Is
Go
it
for a
O?
walk.
Is it O?
No.
It's A. It's A. Okay. Next, what do you... Oh, it's done. Okay, thank you so much, honey. Now let's play. Let's read this one, honey. Okay, let's read. Hold on for a minute. Okay, you read this one, honey. You're the boy.
What do you do? What do I do in my free time?
You go for a walk.
You go for work. Correct.
Correct. Okay, now let's have this one, honey. Let's play. I know the free time professional of people holds a special. Okay, let's have this. Okay, next. What do you do? What do I do in my free time?
You go for a walk. I take a nap.
Again, one more time. What do I do in my free time?
You take a nap.
Okay. Okay, next. What do I do in my free time?
I go for a walk.
Yeah, you go for a walk.
You go for a walk.
Yes. Yeah. What do I do in my free time, Bao?
Good friends. Collect stickers.
You?
You collect stickers.
Great. Very good. You collect stickers. Very good. Next. What do I do in my free
You
time,
hang out
Bao?
with friends.
Wow. You hang out with friends.
Do a puzzle.
Again, one more time. You?
You do a puzzle.
Very good. You do
hang out with friends.
Next. Correct. What do I do in my free time, Bao? Oh.
You hang out with friends.
Uh,
You do puzzle.
yeah. What is it? Okay. Oh, we are already done with this lesson. Okay, so here are the vocabularies that you've learned for tonight, honey. What are these vocabularies?
Today's lesson, the vocabulary that I learned are I collect stickers, take a nap, do a puzzle, go for a walk, hang out with friends.
Very good. And how about the structure for today's
Today's structure,
for today's lesson?
Structure that I learned are what do you do in your free time? I collect stickers.
Very good. Okay, so this will be your homework, honey. For your homework, you're going to practice the vocabularies that you've learned and the structures that you also learned, honey, and practice using them. I'm going to screenshot this one so I won't forget giving you a homework. Now, honey, we're done. We are done with this one. So, do you want to play a game?
Yes.
Okay, let me find a game, honey. Okay. Do you know Bamboozle?
Yes.
Really? You know Bamboozle? Okay, let's have Bamboozle game.
Squid game.
Huh?
Games. Squid
Squid game? In Bamboozle?
Yes.
There's a squid game in Bamboozle?
Teacher, I write letter.
Okay. You read it. Walking around a Christmas tree. And then I'm going to search for that one now. Okay, we just have 6 minutes, so I think we can play.
Oh. My iPad
it's lag. Here, in the chat box. In the chat box, honey. Write it in the chat box. There.
Okay.
Yeah.
Squid game.
And we can find it in the Bamboozle, right?
Yes.
Okay. Squid game. Spog. A Spock. Spock game. Okay. Honey, no. There's no Spock game here. What is this? Spot game?
Squid game.
Squid. Squid.
Squid Game.
Yeah. Squid Game. Okay. Okay. You choose, okay? You just choose what you want to play. Here? Is this the right game?
Yes.
Yeah?
Very interesting.
Really? Which one? Which one do you like? This? This?
Yes.
This? Or
Squid
this?
Game.
This one? Okay, let's have this. Oh, this is interesting, honey. Oh, okay. I'm nervous. It's making me feel scared. Okay, let's have number 1. Okay, do all players work in teams, Bao?
Oh. No. No.
Not this one.
Game.
Not this one.
Game.
Okay. Which one? You choose. This?
No.
This?
No.
This?
Squid Game. Yes.
This? Okay. Let's have this. Oh, it's Vietnam. It's Vietnamese, right? Look.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this one is Vietnamese. What's this?
Oh. Check.
Check. Haha.
Ah.
Okay, number 2. Tăng 15 DM.
Thắng 15 điểm. Yay.
3. You read.
It's
Vietnamese.
it's made in Trung Chinese.
Let's see. Whoa! Hancock. Next.
I have those.
What's your answer?
A doll. A girl doll.
Whoa!
Go see
Bochoki Chowewa.
Tacoma.
Tacoma. Next. 218. Then let's see.
I don't know.
Sangwoo.
Good.
Honey, I think I can answer this if it's in English, honey, but it's in Vietnamese. 456 10, Lezzy.
Yes.
You know-
Yiyun.
Alay ngon chien trong trong Squid Game.
Jinhoon.
Number 456.
This Jihoon.
This one. Oh. Do you know her? I love her. I love her character.
067.
Yeah. Smart. Do you like the Squid Game, honey?
Yes.
But it's so scary.
No.
Oh, I found it so scary. Okay. Honey, have you watched the Avatar 3?
Yes.
Is it nice? I will watch it tonight. Next. Honey, I don't understand the question.
Is Kokoma Gosi Yasamila.
Okay. How do you read this one, honey? What is this?
Green light, red light.
Green light. 10. You got 5 points. Wow. Here. Có mấy ngồi chuối?
456.
Wow. Smart. Smart. Oh, that you're very smart. Leslie. Alay ngồi chết tổ đi tiền. I don't
I
remember
don't
him.
know.
Yeah, me too. I don't remember him. But anyway, honey, the time is already over. And this coming Friday, we're going to have the Unit 2.1, honey, okay? Yeah, you did so great today, honey, and I hope you enjoyed the class. And good luck for the new year, honey. I hope you enjoy your time with your grandparents.
Good
Bye-bye.
news, dear teacher.
Good night,
Goodbye.
family. Bye-bye.
Bye.